In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to generate infinite content ideas and scripts with AI. This video is going to save you hundreds of hours when it comes to content creation. And also, it doesn't cost that much to do this. I'll be showing you guys everything step by step. If you want to follow along, please click the link in our description. And anyways, let's get started. So first thing we want to do is sign up for make.com through the link in the description. Once you're signed up for make.com, this is the screen you will see. The first thing we need to do is press create a new scenario on the top right of our screen. This scenario is where your automation will live. Now, the first thing we want to do is connect our OpenAI account with make.com. So what we want to do is click on the OpenAI, generate a completion prompt, and add connection. Once you press add connection, this will show up. What you want to do now is head over to platform.openai.com, log into your account, and find your API key. In order to do that, you will look for the left API keys tab. What you want to do next is press create new secret key and name it whatever you want. We'll name this one test key 1. Default project, create secret key. What we want to do now is paste the API key into our make.com scenario and click save. Once that's saved, you've created your OpenAI connection. Now the next thing you want to do is select your model you want to use. For this scenario, we'll be using GPT-4o, which is the latest system out. Now, in order to generate our content ideas and scripts, we want to create this OpenAI bot and give it instructions in order to execute what we want it to. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be creating scripts about different topics from marketing campaign category. So in order to do that, we want to paste this script into it. Once you've pasted the script, you can change this in order to be whatever category you want it to. So this message will guide the system in helping you create the scripts. Next thing we want to do is create a user message, which is basically the input that you give ChatGPT in order to create the scripts. For this case, we'll be pasting this prompt into it. Again, depending on what topic you want to create your videos on, make sure you change the prompt accordingly. For now, we'll click save. So once we test this, we should get a script about a marketing campaign for the YouTube video. And there we go. We tested it. Click choices, +1, message, content, and there's our script. Next thing we want to do is create the title for the video. So what we'll do is create another OpenAI module, press create completion, wait for it to load, click model, ChatGPT-4o. Then we'll do a very similar setup to what we did for the previous module, but we'll give it different instructions. For this one, this is the prompt we will give it. Make sure you select role system and paste the prompt into it. Next, we'll add a user prompt, user. So what we want to do now is input the previous result from the ChatGPT module into this ChatGPT module. This will make it so the title that comes out is based on the video. What we want to do is press choices, then press message, and then drag the content into the text content and press save. Once we press save, let's make sure we save our scenario so it doesn't get lost. Next, we will add another module, and this is where you'll connect your Google Sheets into this scenario. The purpose of this is to save all your content ideas and scripts into Google Sheets. We'll press Google Sheets, add row, and what you'll need to do is add your account. It's very simple. Just connect your Google account like you do for every other thing you sign into. Once your Google account is connected, find the file that you create for the Google Sheets. The file that I made is YouTube Video Automation 1. Sheet name will go sheet 1, and how you want to set up the Google Sheet is give it headers. So what we'll do is go to Google Sheets, we'll input title into here and script into here. Once our Google Sheet is set up, we'll go back to the make.com scenario and input the values that we want into the rows. So A would match the title. So what we want to do is take the choices, message, and content from the title ChatGPT module and input it into here. And for the script would be the second row. So we want to go choices, message, content, which is the script, and save. Now let's save the scenario, and if you've set everything correctly, it should be good. Now what we want to do is test the scenario, so we'll click run once. Now this will generate the script. Once the script is generated, it'll come up with a title for the video. This is the title, and once it does that, it'll update the Google Sheet to have the script and the title in a new row. Look, this is the title, this is the script, and it's all here. And now we can run this scenario infinitely many times as we want to come up with new scripts and new titles every single day. Let's test it out one more time just to prove that the scenario is working. ChatGPT is creating the script, OpenAI is creating the title, updating the sheet. So this is the script, choices, +1, message, content, new script. This would be the new title. And there we go, new title, new script. It happened in 2 videos about Burger King somehow. So let's do another one just to make sure that, it's giving us different videos every time. So let's test it here. New script, new title, update Google Sheets. Bam, 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 Google Sheets. This one's about Skittles marketing campaign, title, script, and just you can run this as many times as you want to get infinitely many content ideas and script. And just like that, we've automated your entire scripting process. Now you can play around with this scenario and switch up the ChatGPT prompt in order to get a better script or a better title. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. If you want to learn more AI automations, please let me know down in the comments below what you would want to learn. And yeah guys, see you in the next video.